proceed to number 3. So find dy over dx and simplify the result whenever possible. So for number 3, y is equal to 4 raised to x multiplied by ln of 4x. So take note that if we are having the derivative of au, so au is just equals to au ln of a du over dx. So our a here is equals to 4 and u here is equals to x. Similarly for d over dx for ln u, so 1 over u du over dx. So our u here is equals to 4x. So take note of this one. So we will just copy first. Y is equals to 4 raised to x ln of 4x. So y prime is equals to, so it is in the form au. So a is equals to the constant. So just copy first. So 4 raised to x. So derivative of ln of 4x equals to 1 over u. So u is equals to 4x. Derivative of 4x equals to 4 plus, just copy ln of 4x. So derivative of 4 raised to x is just equals to 4. So au, so 4 raised to x. So ln of a, so a is equals to 4 times, so du over dx, so derivative of 4x, oh sorry, derivative of x is equals to 1. So let's simplify this one. We have y prime is equals to, we'll cancel 4. So we'll cancel 4. The remaining will be 4 raised to x all over x plus, so we'll have 4 raised to x ln of 4 ln of 4x. So we will factor out 4 raised to x. So y prime is equals to 4 raised to x. So we have 1 over x plus ln of 4 times ln of 4x. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. 4 raised to x times 1 over x plus ln of 4x. So 4 raised to x times 1 over x ln of 4x. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.